Okay, my BMW emblems came in today. I just put on my wheel emblems. As you can see, the stock ones, they come with this gray trim. Mine is kind of oxidized, kind of scratched up, kind of busted up. The one when you get it from the Chinese sellers, they'll come along with this plastic um, emblem mount. And the cool thing is the steering wheel one, you just merely stick it onto the existing steering wheel emblem. What I'm going to attempt to do is I'm going to attempt to do the same thing with these. I'm not going to pry off my old ones and put these on. I'm going to stick these on to my stock emblems. Let's see how they look. Aloha. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm getting some just an alcohol pad. Clean your existing emblem, and then you get your replacement carbon fiber emblem. You can see it looks pretty identical. I mean, you're really gonna have to look good to see the difference of a stock emblem and this aftermarket Chinese emblem. So you just match it up right like that. And stick it out. And if later on you don't like how it looks, you can just peel it off with no skin off of your back. And I tell you the truth, you cannot, you're gonna have to look really good in here to see the difference from the stock one and the replacement one. This is a E60, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. And these, I did the front one now, but basically it's the same thing. These are the wheel caps, and the one thing I like about the wheel caps is they have a chrome trim around them. They look great. My Beamer is 08, and I love it. What happened was I had a flat tire the other week, and guess what I did with my bad tire? I had a nail go right in the sidewall, so I made a little planter out of it. Try to reuse, try to recycle, try to reduce. And if you look at my other video, I installed the black grills and these plastic M Sport colors. Aloha. Malama pono. Look at mine right over here. You see something? I don't know. Something hit it. So I'm gonna cover that up, and you're gonna see just how smashing this thing is. Okay, like I said, I did not remove my old emblem. I just merely stuck it onto the stock emblem. But I do notice that there is a small gap on the front one. But you're gonna have to really look good to see that gap. I'm good. I mean, if I gotta remove it later, I will. But for now, it looks good. Aloha. Now I'm gonna do the inside of the vehicle steering wheel emblem. Get some alcohol. Clean it off really good. Mine, I don't know, man. It's kind of like bent right here. It's like somebody was freaking pounding on this freaking horn. I don't know. You can kind of see it. It's got a divot in there. So this covers. I never even noticed that till now. I guess the guy was like, I don't know, honking that old horn. I bought this car used, and it's only got 40,000 miles when I bought it. This is gonna be awesome. Once I get it on, just line up the M, line up your marks, and the divot is gone. My whole setup, 7 pieces in less than 1 hour. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend you taking off your old emblem. Those emblems are like freaking awesome. That's the holy grail of BMW. So, and if those carbon fiber ones ever fail, you can just peel them off. No sweat. Get a doggone hair dryer and heat it up, and it should come off like butter. Aloha. Oh, you know what else? I got these really cool. This model did not come with the emblems on the steering wheel, so I got that on eBay too. One on the shifter. And I got one of these cool ones, but these ones normally only work with the ones that go side to side, front to rear. But then this one you can kind of center it off, and it easy. I even have the one for the volume switch. Yeah, I love this car. I wish you well. Many miles of smiles.